Hi guys, time for another rubber band powered car. It's in Poundland, seasonal stock, a beach shovel. I think it's £1. It's plastic. I've already put some marks on it where I'm going to put some holes on it, holes through it. So hole through there, hole through there. Use some existing CDs for wheels that have got 3D printed hubs and a bicycle spoke for the axle. So they'll go through there and through there. Put a rubber band on it and it should work. So I'll put some holes in there with my favourite nail on a stick. Heat that up in a flame. Melt the holes through. I use my 3D printed hubs because it's convenient, but you don't need to use them. You can use bits of card to fill up the hole in the middle of the CD, or you can tape bottle caps either side, or even hot glue them in place. They all work. So for this, these are actually getting a little bit loose, so I might put some glue on them to stop them sliding. Need a bit of a gap there, because if they rub against the side of the wheel, they'll slow it down. It might even be an idea to put a spacer in there just to stop the wheels rubbing against there. The other end won't be a problem. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll cut up a drinking straw and just put it in there just to hold the wheels away from the shovel. Drinking straw, short length. On there. On there. And that'll keep the wheels away from the shovel. Rubber bands, just cheap Poundland ones. Put them through the loop at that end and then pull them over the axle. Rubber band tied on the front, over the top, and wrap it round so it goes over itself, and that'll hold it in place. Going a little bit left, so we'll allow for that when we try and hit the camera. Well, that took 5 attempts to hit the camera. We got there in the end. We could have adjusted the steering by remelting the holes to twist the axle a little bit, but I just pointed it off to the right so it curved to the left and we got there. So nice simple build, that one. Plastic beach shovel, melted some holes front and back for the axles, CDs for the wheels. I used 3D printed hubs, but you can use alternatives. And we spaced the back wheels away so they didn't rub against the shovel. Job done.